Standard 8 English. Topic: Degree of comparison. Hello and namaste viewers. Today we are going to discuss about the degree of comparison of adjectives. You have learned many adjectives. What are adjectives? They are the describing words such as tired, tall, beautiful, soft, hard, happy, sad, busy. So children, we use describing words for a person or for an object, for the things, for the process, for anything where we want to add more information. Now it may happen that if you want to compare or to like things having the same quality, we cannot use the same adjective every time, and hence that there exists degree of comparison of adjectives. Take an example of apples. If I take apple number 1, I can say it's a big apple. But if I see the apple number 2, I can say that the size is bigger as compared to the first one. But if I take the first and the third is the bigger one. And if I compare second and the third again, the third is the bigger one. So when comparison exists, जब हम किसी दो चीजों की तुलना करते हैं जिनमें कोई एक क्वालिटी समान है, जैसे यहाँ पे है size, so we use different adjectives. So these adjectives, depending upon the intensity, the strength of their quality, they are known as degree of comparison. There are three types: positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. The positive degree is the simplest form of the adjective and has no special ending. The original word of adjective remain the same. So it only describes a quality without expressing or suggesting any comparisons. For example, Mohan is a tall boy. She is a beautiful girl. They are late today. His marks are low. Her walk is slow. So here children, you can see tall, beautiful, late, low and slow. They are adjective. So they are just expressing the quality. What is then comparative degree? This degree we use when we want to compare two things, more quality, which has less quality, which is better than the first one, we use comparative degree. So the comparative degree of an adjective is formed by adding ER to the positive degree. Okay. So the train runs faster than the bus. Comparison is done between train and the bus about their speed. So the train is faster. As you can see, ER is added and it is faster. Second one, I am richer than he. I and he is compared with respect to money and hence rich become richer. Mohan is taller than my friend. Again, Mohan and my friend, comparison is between two persons. So THAN and taller is ER is added. India is more powerful than China. Now, two countries, India and China, regarding their strength, right? So powerful. But here we have used more powerful. Why we have used more powerful and not powerfuler? That we will see when we discuss the rules. Same way, she is more beautiful girl than Sita. So here she, that is a girl, is compared with Sita. Coming to the next one, superlative degree. Super means the best. इससे जैसा कुछ है ही नहीं, right? So here the quality that is the highest level, if it is exist, then we use superlative degree to express it. So this is found by adding EST to the positive degree. Let us see some examples. Ravi is the strongest boy in his class. So in the class there are many boys, but Ravi is the strongest, उसका ऐसा कोई नहीं है, and hence est is added to strong, and you can see article the is always written before the superlative. Mohan is the tallest boy. That means no other boy in the class is as tall as Mohan. So Mohan is the tallest. India is the most powerful. Now you can see the most means no country is as powerful as India. She is the most beautiful girl in the class. Again here since superlative, the most beautiful. The last one, his marks are the lowest in the class. So here very less marks, but how much less? सबसे पूरे क्लास में सबसे कम, so the lowest class. Now, what are the rules of spelling and degree of comparison? The first thing, an adjective ending in silent E. So the adjectives which has E at the end, you can see here, wise, pure and handsome. Here we omit E and just write down ER. Okay, same way for superlative est. So remember, wise, wiser, wisest, pure, purer, purest, handsome, handsomer, handsomest. Some few more examples. Now here you can say there is no E at the end. So how these words changed? Great, greater, greatest. Small, smaller, smallest. Sweet, sweeter, sweetest. Tall, taller, tallest. High, higher, highest. Strong, stronger, strongest. Few more. Kind, kinder, kindest. Hard, harder, hardest. Dark, darker, darkest. Poor, poorer, poorest. Soon, sooner, soonest. Loud, louder, loudest. Near, nearer, nearest. The next one. Second rule. Most adjectives ending in Y, those adjectives who ends in Y in their spelling, here Y changes to I before we write ER or EST. For example, silky, glossy and sorry, you can see Y at the end, and hence Y changes to I, it becomes silkier, silkiest, glossy, glossier, glossiest, sorry, sorrier, sorriest. Few more example. Happy, happier, happiest. Silly, sillier, silliest. Pretty, prettier, prettiest. Easy, easier, easiest. Is it clear, children? Now, one more. Wealthy, wealthier, wealthiest. Heavy, heavier, heaviest. Holy, holier, holiest. Dry, drier, driest. Merry, merrier, merriest. Now coming to the third rule. Adjective having a short vowel. Which are the short vowel? First of all, you should know which are the vowels. So A, E, I, O, U. These are the vowels and ending in a single consonant. Then the last letter is double before writing ER and EST. For example, dim, sad, fit, red, hot. You can see I, A, I, E, O. These are the short vowel sound here used. So the in dim and change to DI, double MER, dimmer, dimmest. Same way, sad, sadder, saddest, fit, fitter, fittest, red, redder, reddest, hot, hotter, hottest. Children, but there are certain words which are irregular. So in those words, instead of ER and EST, for comparative, we put more, and for superlative, we put most. And that's why previously when I said we'll see those words which are irregular. So active, more active, most active. Attractive, more attractive, most attractive. Beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Brilliant, more brilliant, most brilliant. Careful, more careful, most careful. Courageous, more courageous, most courageous. Difficult, more difficult, most difficult. Famous, more famous, most famous. Important, more important, most important. Learned, more learned, most learned. See children, this you should know very well because many times we make mistake while framing the sentences. So to improve your writing skill also you should have the proper knowledge of degree of comparisons. Now there are four words which are very different in the irregular word also. For example, less, lesser. Now it is not lesses, it is list. So remember, less, lesser, list. Good, better, best. We are using this on and often. But see, good, better and best, all these three forms are different. Same way, bad, worse and worst. Here I wrote deliberately than because whenever there is a comparative degree, it has to have than. Right? Whenever there is a superlative degree, it has to have the before the superlative degree. So the last one, much, more and most. These four forms are very important children. You should be very careful. Apart from this, there are certain adverbs which ends with ly. For their comparative also, we use more and most. So for example, swiftly, more swiftly, most swiftly. Beautifully, more beautifully, most beautifully. Skillfully, more skillfully, most skillfully. Wisely, more wisely, most wisely. Carefully, more carefully, most carefully. Frequently, more frequently and most frequently. So remember, it is not the adjective but sometimes adverbs are also used in their comparative and superlative degree, and many times adverb also act as adjective. Please practice this.